This is QishioBits. I'm going to take you through a demo here of basically what it does, how it works, overview. So of course you're going to start out on the dashboard. This is where you can see everything that is going on throughout the program, stuff that you've uploaded, things you've created, your team members, storage that's available, the messages that have gone out, and how many you've published over the last period of time. All right, so then the first thing you want to do for Qishio is you want to get your links. So we're going to go into JVU Zoo Deals, and we are going to see what's out there. Okay, so like right here is slideshow, slide studio commercial. PR page, VSL Ninja Pro, Max Drive Reloaded. See, all these are in here, and then what you do then is decide on one that looks interesting based on the description there. And then, for example, let's say you said, I want to promote this VSL Ninja Pro. You're going to click on Grab the Deal. It'll take you in a new tab to the deal where you can apply for affiliate permission. I'll put a note there. Click off that you have read the information properly and then request approval, and it will then say pending approval. All right, so that's how it is. Once you've got your link that you can grab from there, then you're going to create the actual offer. Now you're going to go into the creator, which is a fully functional image editor. You see there's video in there and your text on the side and tons of templates that you can use. You can change the video there. You can change the images. You can upload your own stuff if you don't want to use the stuff that comes with it. You can then change the text, other elements on it, put audio to it, and adjust the layers. Folks, this is a very powerful editor for these video ads that you'll be able to send out to folks, which is the whole point of this product. And then once you've created the item in the editor, in the creator, they'll be here in your downloads. All the images, the ads that you create will be available right here for you to download. So clearly I've not created any, so we don't have any there. I apologize, forgot about that. Yes, we do have a couple that I have created that are in here under the downloads. All right, and then because this is a WhatsApp program, you're going to use your number list, and here's where you will add your WhatsApp numbers that you want to use. And these are the folks who have given you permission to send you this. Make sure that they contain the country code without the 00, the plus, and you enter those in there and you create new lists, and you can have lists that are targeted at different people, just like you have your targeted email lists. So you create your new list and you add those in here, add all the WhatsApp information. And then here's where you create the actual messages. Under messages, you can compose them, add the particular account there that you want to use, and then what are you sharing? And then you can preview the message over here on the right. You can schedule them. You get your detailed insights on what's happening and how many are opening and how many are clicking. You can see the history of what's happened. And you can even create an RSS feed. RSS, real simple syndication, allows you to send out to people who subscribe to your RSS feed. And then finally, we have our social share. So here's where you're able to directly send it right over to any of the social shares you have set up. You put in your WhatsApp URL here, and then you click on that to connect it to your Facebook Messenger, Facebook, and you can share them across all these different social media platforms. All right, so that's your basic overview of what Qishio is and what it does. And it's a powerful WhatsApp platform for marketing that you can send out very quickly, very easily, very top quality things, especially with that creator that will allow you to create top level advertisements with video and interaction. So take a look at this